It's this Explora 1 Ocean Terrace suite. We are on 8th floor and it has 11 floors. It's a very small ship. The moment you enter, there is this full-length mirror, and then on the right is a walk-in closet. I don't want to fit the picture. And it comes with all these drawers. Look at that. All these drawers, slippers, bathrobes, hangers. What else? Let's see, without me getting in the picture, your vanity area, bathroom, walk-in shower. Pretty big, and it's aesthetically very pleasing. And here are the switches. Beautiful. Look at all these decoration stuff here. As usual, they have a luggage mat, so that way when our luggage comes in, it is a beautiful bed, very comfortable. And wow, on Explora they give you a welcome drink of choice, and I chose cognac for my husband, and a bottle of wine for myself. And then there are more drawers here. Look at that. So on Explora, they give you these water bottles because there are Culligan filtered water stations everywhere, so you can fill the water. So they try to be very environmentally friendly, and you have books to read in the room, drawers next to your bed, seating area. Look at that. And then this is the outside. Let me try to open it. Little seating area here to have your, you know, breakfast or dinner for in suite, or you just want to sit here and look at the port. And then a place to actually lay down. I mean, you know, this is pretty neat, I think. Yeah, it is a very cool room. And let me show you the coffee area. So this is the coffee area, and finally you have the refrigerator, which is stocked, all inclusive. Again, this is Explora 1, so all drinks and everything is included. Beautiful. Well, I'm Kay from Adiona Journeys. If you have any questions about Explora 1, feel free to email me at travel@adionajourneys.com. Bye for now.